Hello everybody, I'm going to share today some good recipes. They are all plant-based and it's right now November, close to the holidays. This is actually, I'm going to make this one for Thanksgiving. So what I'm going to use is going to be sweet potatoes. I'm going to use 5 sweet potatoes. This is like a, I would say like a dessert. It's very sweet. So 5 sweet potatoes, pineapple, butter, cardamom. So let's do it together. Okay, so the potatoes, I already steamed the potatoes. I use the Instant Pot. So here I'm going to start peeling the sweet potatoes. So they're already steamed. If you have the Instant Pot, it's going to take just 70 minutes, and then you do a natural release. So I remove the skin. 5 potatoes. You know, I've been doing this in last year, and oh my God, people keep telling me, "Ah, can you make it again?" So I said today's a good chance to share. This Thanksgiving, we share, right? So 1 potato, next sweet potato, and they are sweet and delicious. When you combine with the pineapple, oh, it's so delicious. So 2nd potato. So that I did this last night, you know. So I can do today, more things to come. 3rd potato. You know, so you remove the skin here. Let's remove a little bit of this. 4 potatoes. Potato. They are so sweet. You know, I can eat it every day if I can, right? Like a dessert. Okay, I remove this one here. And also they are high in protein for the plant-based people like me. And this is a good way to nurture your body from inside out. Potato, you know, they're very, how do you call, I forgot. So you can get it in winter. They grow also, it's a root. So that's why they grow in winter, because they can take cold weather. And the number 5. Okay, so remember 5 sweet potatoes. I'm going to leave the recipe on the bottom so you don't have to worry about it. But just I wanted to share the recipes because I feel this is something that, a delicious recipe that I want to share. So now we have the sweet potatoes here, right? And the pineapple, you buy a sweet pineapple and then you cut it like this. Okay? And then you got 2 tablespoons of butter. I got also, this is plant-based butter. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to smash the sweet potato like with the mashed potato smasher. Okay, I will show you. Ooh. Can you see? Yes, okay. So I'm going to smash it sort of here so you can see. And I'm going to put the sweet potato. I'm sorry, the butter. So I'm going to cut it in pieces. Oh. Okay, be careful with your fingers, okay? And then smash it, smash it, smash it. The good thing about this, okay, you can make it few days in advance, like today is Tuesday, Thanksgiving is in 2 days. So I'm making this in advance. Okay, so let's smash. And then what I do, I'm going to combine this with the cardamom. And let me show you how a cardamom seed looks like. This is the way that a cardamom seed looks. So I grab maybe 4 of those, but little, they're so cute, look at this. Little seeds, and I put it here. And I tin. So to get a tablespoon. Cardamom is going to make the potatoes with a very good aroma, and it's very good for digestion, you know. In India, they use cardamom with the coffee. So when I went to India, I tried, and if you are dealing with like a acid stomach issues, you know, like the coffee is too acid, I found out when you put coffee and cardamom, that feels good, like the stomach that's feel kind of happy, you know, like it feels very good for the stomach. It's very good for digestion, and if you go to an Indian restaurant, they have some cardamom seeds at the entrance. So people, I notice, you know, when they are done with the food, they grab a tablespoon and they put fennel too, and that's good for digestion. Okay, now let's combine with the pineapple. And one more ingredient. So it's very simple. It's just few ingredients. Sweet potato, pineapple, cardamom, butter, and orange juice. Oh, it's so good. And then I'm going to put all together and I'm going to mix it. Let's use a fork. And you are going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. And you're going to leave it there for 40 minutes, around there. And then you're going to let it cool down and put in the refrigerator. And when the party comes, you're going to put it outside. You're going to warm it up in the oven again. You know, put the mold for warm. How do you call? Yes, to keep the food warm. And you're going to serve this warm. It's so good. I'm telling you, you are going to love it. And the pineapple, when you bake pineapple, it gets sweeter. And pineapple is amazing because this is like a soothing food for your tummy. You know, the sweet potato is very good for your tummy. It's warm, and the pineapple has good enzymes that's going to help you to feed the good bacteria in your stomach. Okay, and it's anti-inflammatory. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, so I have a background in anti-inflammatory food. Okay, so that is why I know these things. And also because I love, you know, eating healthy, and I follow an Ayurveda lifestyle. It's an Indian way, like a Chinese medicine. I use Ayurveda. Okay, so let me show you. Dun, 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 dun. I'm going to do it like this. So this is the way. Okay. This is how I'm going to put in the oven. Okay. So remember, this is a good, simple sweet potato side. It's just side dish with 5 ingredients: sweet potato, pineapple, orange juice, cardamom, and butter. You're going to put in the oven for only 40 minutes, 375. If you want it, you can make it the same day, but I'm making it in advance. The best is to eat it warm. It's delicious and it's plant-based. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you again with more recipes for the holidays. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. It's a beautiful time of the year to cook and bring family together, and happy holidays. In this case would be happy Thanksgiving. Today is about sharing my recipes because I'm grateful to have all this knowledge. I'm so grateful to be able to talk in front of a camera and share these beautiful recipes with people because I know they are delicious. My friends and family love it, and I want everybody to share this too. Okay, have a beautiful day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Everything for a healthy life. I love you all. Bye bye.